is the name of our country? You don't listen what mama say, bete. What is the
Means all of you have done math page number 5. Now it is our GK class. We will learn lesson number 2, question number 2 today. We have learned question number 1 yesterday, which was what is the name of our country? And the answer is, who will tell me what is the name of our country? Ayan Asif. Ayan Asif. Give me answer, Ayan Asif. What is the name of our country? Sorry. What is the name of our country?
Pakistan?
Very good. Well done. Anabia Fiaz. What is the name of our country? Give me answer.
Turn आगे वाला अपनी turn. Answer दे दीजिए question. What is the name of our country? बताती हूँ. What is the name of our country?
Pakistan.
Very good, Anabia. Very good. Ayan Asif. Give me answer. What is the name of our country? Ayan Asif.
Pakistan.
Okay. Well,
Pakistan.
very good. It means all of you have learned the lesson. Laviza, you give me answer. Laviza, are you listening? What is the name of our country? Give me answer.
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Very good. Well done, Laviza. Shayanali. Shayanali, you give me answer. What is the name of our country?
Pakistan.
Very good. Shayanali, very good. Well done. Rida Fatma, give me answer. Rida Fatma. First unmute your mic and then give me answer.
Pakistan.
Very good. Very good. Well done. Harim Fatma. Harim Fatma, you give me answer. What is the name of our country? Rida, first unmute your mic, then give me answer.
बताओ.
What is the name of our country, Rida Fatma? Are you listening me?
What is it? Pakistan.
Very good. Very good. Well done. Next, Hamna Asif. All of you turn on your cameras, beta. I want to see you.
No.
When I am listing the lesson, all of you must turn on your cameras. Okay?
Ma'am,
Hamna Asif, turn on your camera and then give me answer. What is the name of our country? When I am listing the lesson, all of you must turn on your cameras.
when did Pakistan came into being? 14.
Pakistan.
Give me answer. What is the name of our country, Hamna Asif?
What is the name of our country? हमारे मुल्क का क्या नाम है बताओ मैम को.
Pakistan.
Very good. Very good. You must turn on your camera. Mahnur Fatma, what is the name of our country? Give me answer. Mahnur Fatma.
अब बोलो, अब बोलो, अब बोलो, बोलो बेटा.
Pakistan.
Okay, very good. Now it is Fiza's turn. Fiza, you give me answer. Fiza 9614. What is the name of our country, Fiza? Unmute your mic, then give me answer. Fiza. Fiza,
Yes,
what is the name of our country?
Pakistan.
Okay, very good. Aliza Zahid, where are you? I don't know where are you throughout the class. You didn't respond me even one time. This is not the good thing. You are showing your presence, but you are not actually present in the class. This is not a good way, beta. Fatma Khalid, turn on your camera. Fatma Khalid, where are you? You are not responding, and I have shortage of time. That's why I'm going to read the question number 2. Our today lesson is question number 2. As you seeing in the board, when did Pakistan came into being? Answer is 14th August 1947. Answer is 14th August 1947. Question number 2. Question number 2. This question I am going to read today. When did Pakistan come into being? The answer is 14 August 1947. All of you read with me. Question is, when did Pakistan come into being? Means Pakistan kab bana? The answer is 14th August 1947. पाकिस्तान 14 अगस्त 1947 को बना. Question is, when did Pakistan come into being? पाकिस्तान कब बना? हमारा dearest country पाकिस्तान कब बना? The answer is 14th August 1947. All of you must learn this lesson, learn this question. I will listen it tomorrow. Again, I am going to repeat. All of you must read with me. Read after me. When did Pakistan come into being? The answer is 14th August 1947. Pakistan 14 अगस्त 1947 को बना. Question is, when did Pakistan come into being? All of you must read with me the answer. 14th August 1947. All of you must read with me. The answer is 14th August 1947. Write date on question number 2. It is your today's lesson, which I will listen from you tomorrow. Answer is 14 August 1947. Answer is 14th August 1947. Question is, when did Pakistan come into being? The answer is 14th August 1947. 14th August 1947. This is our tomorrow work, which you have to learn from home. I will listen from you tomorrow. Question number 2. We have completed our today work. If anyone asks me any question, you can ask. Raise your hand, I will unmute your mic. If parents have any confusion, they can ask me. Raise your hand in the camera. If you ask something, I will unmute your mic. Okay, beta. I think no one have any confusion. Now I am going to again told you that we are going to celebrate Earth Day tomorrow. As I have told you yesterday, the work you have to do from home is you have to prepare a corner. आपको एक कॉर्नर प्रिपेयर करना है। आपने ये शो करना है उस एक्टिविटी में, हर बच्चा जो है अपने घर में रूम में एक कॉर्नर प्रिपेयर करेगा। ये वर्क हमारा कल करने के लिए, हमने कल 22 सेकेंड अर्थ डे, अर्थ द वर्ल्ड अर्थ डे सेलिब्रेट करना है ड्यूरिंग ऑनलाइन क्लास। ऑल मदर्स आर लिसनिंग मी, तो मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ कि हमने कल एक्टिविटी में करना क्या है। ऑल ऑफ यू हैव मस्ट प्रिपेयर अ कॉर्नर। कॉर्नर कैन बी इन योर बेडरूम और वेयर द स्टूडेंट इज। अगर वो कहीं सेम में है, किसी कमरे में, या जहां भी है, वो एक कॉर्नर रेडी करें। you have to show in this activity that you are cleaning your environment, you are keeping your surrounding and environment clean। और वो आप एक्टिविटी के थ्रू कैसे शो करेंगे? इस तरह शो करेंगे कि आपने कॉर्नर रेडी करना है और वहां पे आप एज एग्जांपल कुछ जैसे कचरा, लाइक कोई पेजेस वगैरह फाड़ के फेंक दें और साथ में एक क्लीन सी डस्टबिन रखें और बच्चे जो हैं वो उस कॉर्नर को फिर वो क्लीन करेंगे। मीन्स यू आर शोइंग थ्रू दिस एक्टिविटी दैट you are keeping your environment clean, whether you are at your home, at your school, at your bedroom। अब जहाँ भी हैं आप अपने environment को clean रखेंगे। किस तरह रखेंगे वो आपने मुझे एक्टिविटी के थ्रू शो करना है। एंड प्रेजेंस ऑफ एवरी स्टूडेंट इज कंपल्सरी इन दिस एक्टिविटी। हर स्टूडेंट जो है इस एक्टिविटी में मस्ट परफॉर्म करेगा। ओके, आप कोई भी कॉर्नर बना लें, उसमें आप जो है पहले शो करें कि वहां पे कचरा होगा, फिर स्टूडेंट जो है वो खुद ही उस कचरे को उठाएगा और डस्टबिन में फेंक देगा। आपको एक लाइन अच्छी भी बच्चे को याद करवा दें जिससे वो शो करे कि मैं जो है अपनी अर्थ को क्लीन रख रहा हूँ, मैं इस तरीके से अर्थ को सेफ रखूंगा। ये बहुत ईजी एक्टिविटी है, इसमें कोई आपको एफर्ट नहीं करनी पड़ी, बस पार्टिसिपेशन है। पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ एवरी स्टूडेंट इज कंपल्सरी इन दिस एक्टिविटी। अब इस एक्टिविटी के बारे में इफ समवन हैव कंफ्यूजन यू कैन आस्क मी। Raise your hand if you have any confusion. I will unmute you and you can ask question with me. No one have any confusion about the activity which we are going to celebrate tomorrow? बेटा आज ही डिसाइड कर लें कि आपने कौन सा कॉर्नर रेडी करना है घर का, क्योंकि कल आते ही पहले हम ये एक्टिविटी सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, देन वी विल स्टार्ट आवर वर्क। If someone have any confusion about this activity, you can ask me. Everyone is clear? How is going your Ramzan? आप सबके रोजे कैसे गुजर रहे हैं? रोजे रख रहे हैं सब बच्चे? Beta, as I was telling you that you have to prepare a corner for tomorrow's celebration, the World Earth Day. I am going to show you a video in which a student has prepared a corner according to 14th August 1947. इंडिपेंडेंट डे के हवाले से एक बच्चे ने एक कॉर्नर रेडी किया हुआ है, एक स्टूडेंट ने, मैं आपको वीडियो दिखा रही हूँ। आपने जो है आपने कॉर्नर 14 अगस्त का रेडी नहीं करना, आपने कॉर्नर जो है वो वर्ल्ड अर्थ डे का ही करना है। लेकिन मैं आपको एज ए एग्जांपल दिखा रही हूँ कि आपने किस तरह से कॉर्नर रेडी करना है। ऑल ऑफ यू मस्ट वॉच द वीडियो। As all of you have seen this video, in this video, the student is celebrating Independence Day while he is at his home. He has prepared a corner very beautifully. All of you must prepare your corner at your home according to the World Earth Day. आपको ये वीडियो इसलिए दिखाई है, ये एक एग्जांपल है कि आपने भी कल अर्थ डे सेलिब्रेट करना है while you were at your home, while you were at your bedrooms. तो आपको भी एक कॉर्नर इसी तरह से सेट करना है और इसी तरह से अर्थ डे के हवाले से कुछ लाइंस याद करनी है। आप लोग वो बोलेंगे, then you will show through your activity that you are saving the earth through keeping your environment and surrounding clean. This is a very simple activity. Okay, beta, I am going to play this video again. All of you must be attentive.
Assalamualaikum. We are celebrating 14th August. Nation. I love my country. I love my country. I love my Kyle Azam. I love my country. Pakistan Zindabad. ऐसी ज़मीं और आसमां भरती रहे ये रोशनी चलता रहे ये कारोबार दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जान जान पाकिस्तान दिल के पाकिस्तान दिल दिल से मिलते हैं तो क्या रुबा चेहरा बनता है पूरे करे हैं तो वो चेहरा बनता है दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जान जान पाकिस्तान दिल दिल पाकिस्तान
All of you have seen this video. You have to prepare your corner like this. This student has prepared the corner according to Independence Day, but you have to prepare your corner according to the World Earth Day. Tomorrow we are going to celebrate World Earth Day while you were at your home. आप लोगों ने अपने घरों में इसी तरह ही अर्थ डे के लिए सेलिब्रेशन के लिए एक कॉर्नर रेडी करना है और आप उस एक्टिविटी के थ्रू ये मैसेज देंगे कि यू आर सेविंग द वर्ल्ड बाय कीपिंग योर एनवायरनमेंट एंड सराउंडिंग क्लीन. Whether you are at your home, at your school, at bazaar, at shop, it doesn't matter. All these things are included in the earth. चाहे आप अपने क्लासरूम में हैं, आप घर में हैं, कहीं बाजार है, दुकान में हैं, जहां भी हैं, you must keep your environment and surrounding clean. And you must show this lesson through the activity which we will celebrate tomorrow. If someone have any confusion, you can ask me. I think now everything is clear through the video which I have shown you recently. Okay, बेटा, अपना ख्याल रखें, खुश रहें, जो लेसन मैंने आपको दिया है मस्त लर्न करें. Okay, till tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. We will meet tomorrow inshallah 9 o'clock. Allah Hafiz.